Hi guys, I'm so excited you're here. Welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and thank you so much for selecting this video. I invite you to subscribe if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for your support and for selecting another one of my videos. Well, I really want to go over my haul, which I'm so excited that I finally was able to do my haul. I was sick for 2 weeks, so I was not able to do anything, but I'm glad to be back. And I really wanted to share with you the items that I was able to get Saturday night, meaning that I was able to do the early activation. So I did purchase a few items. I did, to be more precise, I was able to do 2 different transactions. So what I'm going to do on this video is everything that you see here, I'm going to divide it exactly how I paid it, and I'm going to show you the receipt. That way you'll know exactly step by step the coupons that I use and how it came out for me on my receipt. And then I hope that you're able to see that everything would have been $79.69 before any special price or promotion, but after the coupons used and ECBs received, everything would have been $3.86. So if you follow, I have the same coupons that I do have, everything will be $3.86. But because I did use an ECB that was beauty, that I did get as a bonus, an epic, those epic beauty rewards that we got free, I had one of $14, and I was able to use that to pay for my transaction. So using that I didn't pay it out of pocket, it was just free ECBs that I got. My total to actually came out to free and $10.14 Moneymaker. So that's why I'm giving you 2 different prices. That way you'll know exactly how much it will be if you do it, and in case you don't have any beauty rewards. So let's get started with the first transaction. On this transaction, I'm going to show you Speed Stick and the Schick deal. This one is very easy to do. So if you're new, this is very easy for you to follow through and get started with couponing. So I hope that is explained as detailed as I could to make it easy for you. So this one, it's a special price, so all you have to do is buy 2 for $2.99. And the reason why you could buy 2 because the limit is of 2, but if you want, you could just use buy 1. So in this case, you buy 2 for $2.99. You use this printable coupon, so it's easy to do. All you have to do is use the link that I'm going to provide in the description box and the little box. Select it, you could print that coupon. And also the CVS app has this coupon as well, so you could use it there, but it's a limit of 1. So you could print 2 coupons. So now your total is going to deduct 2. At the end of your receipt, you're going to receive 4 ECB since you bought 2, making it totally free. So this is a really good deal and very easy to do. The next thing I'm going to show you that I actually did, I purchased, was the Schick disposables. This is buy 15 get 5, and they're on special for $5.99. I purchased 2 of the men Schick disposable, and I purchased 1 of the women's, and the total would have been $17.97 on special price. There is a coupon that we're going to be getting on the Smart Source for tomorrow, April 7, and the coupon deducts $4. It does say a limit of 2, and we were thinking of doing just 1 transaction today, 1 transaction tomorrow, but in the store they said there was no problems using all 3 coupons, so that's the reason why we were able to do it on this transaction. So we were able to use those 3 coupons. It deducted $4 each, but in the pictures you see that I had a CRT 4 of 10, but I didn't have that on this card. But I had, as you can see on the receipt, it says 3 off 12 shaving need, so it deducted $3, so my total was a little bit more. So my total came out to, for the Schick, for $3.98, but I got back they came out to $2.97, but I got back 5 ECB, making it free, and $2.03 Moneymaker. So if you have one of those CRTs and you're able to do it in 1 transaction or 2, this would be a really good deal. It will be free and Moneymaker. So be on the lookout for those coupons that we're expecting on this Sunday. So all of that came out to free and $2.05 Moneymaker. Now the next transaction, I'm showing you every item that I did purchase because I did wanted to make sure that I do reach $30 so I could get the $10 cash card. So the first item that I'm going to show you is the L'Oreal. I purchased the hair care, which is like the shampoo and conditioner. So I purchased 2 for $8, and I had a coupon that is going to be in the Retail Me Not of also for tomorrow, April 7. That will deduct $4. And then I purchased 2 of the L'Oreal treatment. These are like serums or special items that they cost like $8.29. So I was able to buy 2 of those for $4.99, and I only used 1 coupon. I really didn't want to push it, even though the limit is of 1, and they honored the one for Schick. I didn't want to continue using more coupons and past the limit. So I only used 1 of those coupons that deducted $3. And I had this coupon that you will see in the picture. It says, do you love L'Oreal? Then you could try this product. But it's not limiting for you to use it for other ones. So I deducted $5. So I used that CRT. And also I bought the Scott tissue for $7.99. And I bought the Tide Pods for $4.94. The coupons for the Tide Pods, I used the CVS app. And for the Scott, I had a coupon of $1, but there's a printable of 50 cents in case you don't have that coupon. So from $30.91, I paid $15.91 using those coupons I used in the picture and the ones from the app. And I got back the 10 cash card. It would have been $5.91. But since I used that $14, I used the Beauty Club Epic Beauty of $14. It came out to just $191 in my total. And getting that 10 cash card of $10 and also the Moneymaker from the other transaction of $2.05 is the reason why I reached $10.14 Moneymaker. So there's plenty good deals for CVS, and as you can see, you could mix and match to be able to get the items that you do need in order for you to get that cash card. So I was happy with my transactions and my haul. I hope you was able to follow through and understand that. If you have any questions, you could leave them in the comment section. So I'm going to provide any coupons in case you want to do this similar trip. So I really appreciate your support. I invite you to subscribe, share this video so that people could get ready and save as much as they could when going couponing. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.